Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 Ford Super Duty? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard combines digital displays with traditional controls for a driver-focused experience. It provides clear information on speed, navigation, and vehicle systems. The cluster display provides the driver with essential information such as speed, fuel level, engine status, and warnings. The LCD shows vehicle information, settings, and alerts in a clear, easy-to-read format. The gear system allows the driver to control the vehicle's speed and power by selecting the appropriate drive, reverse, or neutral position. The climate control system regulates the vehicle's interior temperature and airflow for passenger comfort. The steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicator. Airbag, air conditioning system. Air conditioning system, lubricant type. Anti-lock braking system. Avoid smoking, flames. Battery. Blower motor. Brake fluid, non-petroleum based. Brake system. Cabin air filter. Check fuel cap, child safety door lock or unlock. Child seat lower anchor. Child seat tether anchor. Cruise control. Do not open when hot. Electric parking brake. Engine air filter. Engine coolant. Engine coolant temperature. Engine oil, explosive gas. Fan warning, fasten seatbelt. Flammable, front fog lamps. Fuel pump reset, fuse compartment. Hazard flashers, headlamp high beams. Headlamps on, heated rear window. Hill descent control, horn control. Interior luggage compartment release, jack. Lighting control, keep out of reach of children. Low fuel level, low tire pressure warning. Maintain correct fluid level. Malfunction indicator lamp. Panic alarm. Note operating instructions. Parking aid. Parking lamps. Passenger airbag deactivated. Passenger airbag activated. Power steering fluid. Power windows front rear. Power window lockout. Requires registered technician. Safety alert, side airbag. Shield the eyes, stability control. Stability control off, trail control. Turn signal, windshield wiping system. Windshield wash and wipe, turbo boost gauge. Starting and stopping the engine, normal. ECO, sport. Slippery, mud or ruts. rock crawl, baja, sand, off-road, rock crawl, tow haul, goat mode, electronic locking differential indicators, four-wheel drive, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, one pedal drive, doors ajar, forward collision warning, swing gate release / ajar, trail control, hybrid or electric system failure, vehicle damping mode, track, launch control, speed limiter, ready to drive, lane keeping assist, lane centering assist, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself, low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.